This is our Alard item Y4280, a PEASE apple dip tank. This was built and designed by FBPs to go with apple peeler cores and slicers, and to receive the peeled, cored, and or sliced apples into the tank, where they would be treated with a vitamin C solution to keep them from oxidizing, and the slices or apples or whatever is the case may be, rings, would be lifted up on the conveyor and discharged off the end after getting a little loving bath of the vitamin Charlie solution. It does not come with a recirculating pump. The way it works with apples is they just kind of pile up in there and then push themselves out. But there is an inlet at the infeed end, and it could pretty easily be set up with a centrifugal pump for recirculation. If you have questions about that, give us a call at 315-589-4511. Or if you have a question about any other washing or dip tank application, we have others in stock. In the meantime, this is an all stainless steel dip tank, 16-inch wide, 96-inch long. The tank is 16 inches deep. Has the paddle wheel there, as you can see, to make sure everything is submerged. It is a powered paddle wheel, and that also tends to push things over to the discharge. It has these little paddles that pick things up and just dump them out here at the end. Little holes for drainage. It does have a spot here where you can bolt on a discharge chute if you'd like. We have a chute that we will send along with it, but we thought for the purposes of this demo it wasn't helpful to what we're wanting to do. So we're gonna turn this baby on and show you that the machine does what it was intended to do. Yeah. 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 Well, I don't want to run this into a real long video, but it's all right. Keep it going. You keep, I think you get the idea what's going on here and how this works, and that, boy, it runs nice and does what it's supposed to do. Again, if you have any questions about this item of equipment, or if you want to see if we have something like it, if this is not quite exactly what you're looking for, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And other than that, here it is. It's Alard item Y4280. It is a PEASE apple dip tank, stainless steel, in stock. in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment. Are we out of ducks? I think that's it. Say hello, guys.